name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. If you have not visited my channel before, I would like to let you know that my channel is all about empowering people to live their dreams through entrepreneurship. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. We feel that all the information that we provide you on different companies can help put you on your path to living your dreams. Let's take this journey together because I know you and I still have dreams that we want to accomplish. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into today's review. The company that we're going to talk about today is a company called Oriflame. So if you found this video, evidently you are interested in either Oriflame's products or possibly being a business representative earning an income through Oriflame. So let's tell you a little bit about Oriflame. Right now we are on their corporate website, and I strongly suggest that you come visit their website because it gives you a lot of information about this company. But I'd like to give you a cursory overview about Oriflame. Oriflame was founded in 1967, so that company is a well-established company for over 50 years, so it is definitely not a scam. It's been a company in existence for roughly over 50 years, as I stated. The company founders are two brothers, Jonas and Robert Jochnick, and the company is located in Switzerland. So it's a Swedish-based company. And this company is an MLM company that is in the health and wellness beauty niche. Their products are beauty supply, all natural, organic makeup, fragrance, skincare, bath and body, hair products, and men products. So they are a well-established company and they're based in Sweden. So right now we're looking at their website. I strongly suggest you to do your due diligence on the company and come visit their website. Here at the website on their landing page, you can learn about a career working directly with Oriflame or being an independent representative for Oriflame. It tells you their locations, how to connect with them, and their open positions as being an employee with Oriflame. Now, if you're interested in learning more about their products, either as a consumer or interested in selling Oriflame's products, I'd like to share with you a little bit about their products. Like we stated, their products are a wellness beauty line, and their products that are familiar in Norway, Sweden, and those areas over there. One thing I'd like to suggest as I'm getting started, right now you can buy the products in the United States, you can buy the products from overseas, but Oriflame at this time is not signing up independent representatives from the United States. But if you're outside of the United States and are interested in joining the Oriflame as a distributor, this is well worth you to visit their site and learn more about their products. If you're just interested in buying their products, yes, from the United States you can buy their products. This is some of the products. As you see, they're beauty products. They have mascara. They have all different kinds of makeups. They have lotions. They have spa products. So the company is an outstanding company. They have a very high grade of products. So if you're interested in learning about their products or becoming an independent representative and sell the products, feel free to visit their website. Now, if you're interested in signing up and selling their products on this site, and I will leave all the links in the description below this video, on their site, you come down to this page right here on the main page, and you'll see a link right here that says to buy products or become a beauty consultant. Please visit your local Oriflame site. You will hit this link right here, and what it will do is take you to this page right here, and what you do is select the different companies areas in the in your area, Europe, Asia, Latin America, Africa. You'll select what company you'll be working out of. And as I stated before, no, they are not in the United States, but you can buy products from the United States by going to the different countries and buying from their websites. Now, as an Oriflame representative, if you're interested in making money with the company, let me share a little bit about that. With Oriflame, I mean, they have such a rock solid compensation plan and a rock solid track record in this company. One good thing about this company is that it doesn't cost anything per se to join the company. You don't buy a selling pack or anything like that to be able to be a consultant. All you have to do is buy a catalog, and what you do is take orders from the catalog, and as you advance through their compensation plan, you'll hit different ranks from your business points and sales. And they have different corporate positions. You have a consultant, a group manager, you have a senior group manager, a district manager, a senior district manager, and as you're selling products, you're making so much of a percentage off of your sales, and at each level you get paid in different levels of your organization. From the first level, it seems all the way down 1, 2, 3, at least about your 12th level. Okay, and it is a unilevel compensation plan. So it is a rock solid company, and if you're interested in learning more and doing your due diligence, I strongly suggest that you do visit their corporate website. And again, I will leave their link at the bottom of this video. Now at this time, what I'd like to do is talk a little bit about the pros and cons of the companies that we review, and also at this point I'd like to let you know that I am not a representative of Oriflame or affiliated with Oriflame. All we do is give information so that you can make a good sound business decision. Now some of the pros that I see with Oriflame, as I stated, it's no cost to join. They're in over 62 different countries. All you have to do to get started basically is buy a product catalog, and it's roughly 50 cents in whatever country currency that you'll be dealing with. Some of the cons to this company, is not very many cons to the company, is that if you're based in the United States, I'm sorry to say that you cannot be a representative for the company. They're not signing representatives at this time in the United States. And if you are interested in joining a company like this, it is a MLM company, and you know any MLM company, you have challenges trying to get that company to work for you, the compensation plan, because to make money in an MLM company or a direct sales company, you either have to learn to sell your products, and to make the big money, you're going to have to learn how to build a team. So that's the only cons that I could see about this company, and it's the standard cons of being in a network marketing company. Now, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, one of the best ways, as we stated, that you're going to have to learn how to sell and market and build a team. One of the best ways during this time have been proven is that learning to get leads through YouTube, so you can be able to articulate your product and company's goals and dreams, and be able to sell your products, is being able to learn how to market on YouTube. So if you're interested in learning how to market YouTube just like I do, and I make a very good living marketing my products and company through YouTube, I would like to share with you a educational link at the bottom of this video where you can learn how to market on YouTube yourself. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is basically the end of this review on Oriflame. I hope that you have found some value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a like, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon so you'll be notified when I will be releasing my daily videos. Again, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, because I do respond to all my questions. And if you would like to learn more about my my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below, and I would leave some information for you. Well, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sandra Essex. I'm signing out. Again, remember to take care, subscribe to my channel, click that bell icon, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on our next review.